Hello everyone. So in this video, we would be sharing with you the walk-in drives that are going to happen in this particular weekend. So there are multiple companies which are going to hire the QA. So let me tell you the details of all those companies one by one. So first is an opportunity with respect to LTI Mindtree company. So they are conducting a mega walk-in drive at Coimbatore location, and it would be a face-to-face mode of interview. Date is 11th of October, Saturday. Timings would be 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Location is Coimbatore, and they are looking for automation testers, someone who has got good skill set in Java, Selenium, and API, 5 to 12 years of experience required. Then Java, Selenium, and Appium, again 5 to 12 years of experience required. So if you are interested, you can connect with this particular email address. Then there are other companies also which are having this walk-in drive. And we are going to tell you in detail, and these all kind of information is shared absolutely free of cost with you. So please do hit like, share, and subscribe our channel because see, nobody will tell you all these things, right? It requires a lot of time, a lot of content update. So please do hit like, share, and support our channel, right? So then there is a career opportunity at Hexaware Technologies. So the walk-in drive is on 11th of October, Saturday, and it would be in Chennai, Coimbatore, and Pune. And they are looking for the following positions: API automation testing, rest assured, 4 to 10 years of experience required; UI automation testing, Selenium, 5 to 12 years of experience required; Python automation testing, 5 to 9 years of experience; ETL testing, cloud, big data, 6 to 12 years; automation testing with Playwright, 4 to 9 years; performance testing with JMeter, Neoload, 4 to 12 years. Mode of interview would be in person. It would be face-to-face interview. And if you are having notice period, immediate or 30 days, you can attend the interview, right? And the date is Saturday, 11th October, day is Saturday, and timings would be 9:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Then with respect to Chennai office, the address is provided. With respect to Pune office, the address is provided, and the Coimbatore office, the address is provided. So Hexaware company is conducting a mega walk-in drive. Okay. Then Quality Chaos Technologies is also conducting a walk-in drive for the QA professionals with 1 to 7 years of experience in automation and manual testing. And the date would be Saturday, October 11th. Timings would be 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Venue is Quality Chaos Technologies Private Limited, fourth floor, C Wing, Rupa Solitaire, and it's in Navi Mumbai. Open positions are for automation testing, manual testing. Domains are trade finance, payments, internet and mobile banking, Gen AI chatbot testing, payment gateways, internet banking, LOS, LMS, treasury. So all these things are there, and you can contact to asmita.kadu@qualitykiosk.com. So you need to bring your updated resume highlighting relevant experience, valid government issued ID proof, Aadhaar, PAN card, driving license, all these things are required. Okay. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.
દ્વારા ડાયલ કરવામાં આવેલ નંબર અમાન્ય છે.